Gonna take a makeup revolution. Today I'm having fun with the Revolution Birds of Paradise palette. Also trying concealer and mascara. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right now. Today I'm going to be playing with Makeup Revolution. If you're not familiar with them, Makeup Revolution is a London-based brand. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it's available at Ulta stores for very reasonable prices. This palette, $15. These two items, even less, I think something like $6 a piece. This is the Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer with Hyaluronic Acid and acai, medium full coverage concealer. And the final thing I'm going to use today is the Mascara Revolution. So I'm going to start with my concealer. And the shade I'm using is C1. Comes with a little applicator. I'm going to just touch right under the eye. Then I'm going in with my blender. It goes on really smooth. It's a comfortable texture. Let me take my little kitty mirror to get in closer with this. Okay, then I always like to set my concealer. I do that by using a little bit of a setting spray on my blender and just tapping under the eye like this. Now it's time for the shadow. The palette I bought is called Birds of Paradise. It comes in this nice protective steel case. And what I really like about this brand, which most budget brands don't have, is it has a mirror inside. For $15, this is what I got. 18 shades, and they all have cute bird names like macaw, vacay, take flight, exotic, lovebirds, Rio, canary, adventure, hot tropic, budgie, toucan play, island, tail feather, tweet, fiesta, cardinal, jungle, and cockatoo. So I'm going to do two different looks, a different look on each eye, so you can see a little bit of the variety you can do with this. And as usual, I'm going to start minimum and build up. I'm going to start with this yellow canary cover. Basically cover the eyelid with this. Yeah, this is a matte color. It's not quite as, the consistency isn't quite as smooth as some of the other brands I've used, but overall it's got a nice tone to it. It has pretty good coverage. Just a light brushing and I get a lot of yellow. I did the yellow on both eyes. But for one eye, I'm going to line with the orange, just the tweet, which is sort of a peachy orange. And I'm going in under the lash line here. And I think I'm going to do a completely different color on the other side, just so you can see some of the versatility of this palette. On the other side, I'm going to go in with the Purple Adventure. And a little under. Getting a little bit of fallout with this color, so let me wipe. Alright, on my yellow-orange eye, I'm going to take this shade Exotic, which is a pressed pigment in sort of the orange peach. And I'm going to go over that in the corners and just sort of in little circular motions and blend toward the center. It has a nice amount of shine. It's not as heavily pigmented as some of the other palettes I have. let's try for the other eye. I'm going to take Tail Feather and do the same. Let's start with a packing brush and try to cut the crease a little bit. With my yellow-orange eye, I'm going to do that with, let's try the Exotic some more. And just go in on the crease. Now with my purple eye, I'm going to try some of this glittery Lovebirds. Okay, this is a good top cover, but it is coming out a little bit sparse. I'm having to really pack it a bit. And I think I want to emphasize the purple a little bit more, so I'm going to take this Island color and go in more in the corners and along the crease. All right, and with the other eye, to kind of balance it out, I'm going back in with Tweed. And I think this eye needs a little more shimmer, so I'm going to just go in with this Fiesta Gold. Yeah, that color, while it doesn't come on as heavy gold, it really has a nice shine. I like the shine of this. And let's do a little more of the Lovebirds on this eye. Okay, this just gives you a little example of the color choices you can do with this. Now, I didn't even touch on the greens or blues, or actually, let me try this White Cockatoo. Take my small brush again, and I'm going to try the White Cockatoo and just go in toward the center of both eyes. All right, the final step I'm trying is the mascara. This is the Mascara Revolution. I'm going to start by just coating my lashes. My favorite Kitty Mirror. The mascara does have a nice full coverage, a little bit of clunking, but it shows up nicely. Overall, I like the palette. Is it my favorite? Probably not. The consistency of the formula, the texture is not quite as great as the Jeffree Star formulas, or even a couple of the other budget brands I've recently tried, such as Juvia's Place and ColourPop. But if you really want, for a low price, to get a lot of different eyeshadow colors, if you really like playing with color, this is a great option. And Revolution has a whole lot of different palettes, so you can just kind of look over and see which colors you like the most. But yeah, it is a good bargain. Makeup Revolution. Hey, please show some love and give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below. Is there a brand that's your favorite that you'd like for me to try? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.